Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. Listen to verse 41 to 50. व्यवसाय आत्मिकः बुद्धिः एका इह कुरुनन्दन बहुशाखः हि अनन्तः च बुद्धये अव्यवसायिनाम्. Those who are on this path are resolute in purpose that their aim is one. O beloved child of the Gurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branched. Verse 42, 43. Yam imam pushpitam vacham pravadanti अविपश्चितः वेद वाद रतः पार्थ न अन्यत् अस्ति इति वादिनः. 43. काम आत्मानः स्वर्गपरः जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रिया विशेष बहुलां भोग ऐश्वर्य गतिं प्रति. Men of small knowledge are very much attached to the flowery words of the Vedas, which recommend various fruitive activities for elevation to heavenly planet, resolute good birth, power, and so forth, being desires of sense gratification and opulent life. They say that there is nothing more than this. 44. भोग ऐश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां तया अप्रहत चेतसां व्यवसाय आत्मिकः बुद्धिः समाधो न विद्यते. In the minds of those who are too attached to sense enjoyment and material opulence, and who are bewildered by such things, the resolute यानी दृढ़ determination for devotional service to the Supreme Lord does not take place. त्रैगुण्ये विषयः वेदः निस्त्रिगुणैः भव अर्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वः नित्यसत्त्वस्तः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान. श्लोक नंबर है 45. The Vedas deal mainly with the subject of the three modes of material nature. O Arjuna, become transcendental to these three modes, be free from all dualities and from all anxieties for gain and safety, and be established in the self. 46. यावान अर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः संप्लुत उदके तावान सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. All purpose served by a small well can at once be served by a great reservoir of water. Similarly, all the purpose of the Vedas can be served to one who knows the purpose behind them. 47. कर्मणि एव अधिकारः ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुः भू मा ते संगः अस्तु अकर्मणि. You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duties. 48. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjya siddhi asiddhyo samah bhutva samtvam yogah uchyate. Perform your duty equipoised, or Arjuna, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. Such equanimity is called yoga. 49. Verse number 49. दूरेण हि अवरम कर्म बुद्धि योगात् धनंजय बुद्धो शरणम अन्विच्छ कृपणः फलहेत्वः. O Dhananjay, keep all abominable activities for distant by devotional service, and in that consciousness surrender unto the Lord. Those who want to enjoy the fruits of their work are misers. Verse number 50. बुद्धि युक्तः जहाति इह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्. A man engaged in devotional service rids himself of both good and bad reactions even in this life. Therefore strive for yoga, which is the art of all work. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.